Hello friend, in this video we are going to learn array concatenation. The NumPy provide us the vertical as well as horizontal stacking, which allow us to concat two-dimensional array vertically as well as horizontally. So let's consider the example here. So I'm going to import NumPy as a NP, then I write a equal to np dot array, and here I write list of lists, so 1 comma 2 comma 3, and then here I'm going to add my next row, it is 10 comma 56 comma 3. Okay, then I write b equal to np dot array, and same dimension I'm going to maintain here, so 3 comma 4 comma 5. Then my second row is 5 comma 6 comma 7. Okay, then I'm going to print here, so I say print array vertically concatenate. Concatenated. Then here I use np dot vstack. So vstack is a function which is used to concat in vertical way. So I write a comma b, and similarly I'm going to concat horizontally. So I write here one message, array horizontally concatenated. Then here I say comma, then I write np dot h stack. So h stack is used to concat horizontally. So again I call my both array. So I say here /n for proper representation. Okay, so try to run it now. Here, okay, I made one mistake. np dot stack. Now it's perfect. Now try to run it. Now it is to be observed that here 1 comma 2 comma 3, 10 56 3, and here your b array is going to concat vertically, and here your array A and array B is going to concat horizontally. So in this way we learn array concatenation vertically as well as horizontally.